Tacky mats are a popular and essential piece of cleanroom equipment, designed to prevent contaminants from entering a controlled space. But how do tacky mats work, and what's the correct use for these within a cleanroom? In this video, we'll show you how to properly use a tacky mat for optimal contamination control. Tacky mats are compressed layers of adhesive mats that capture dirt, dust and debris from the footwear of personnel and the wheels of equipment before entering the controlled space. When setting up your new tacky mat, its placement should be considered carefully. The mat should be placed on a clean, hard floor at all entry and exit points of the cleanroom, including corridors and ancillary areas. The size of the tacky mat should be long enough to cover 2/3 to 3/4 of the doorway's width and orientated so the longer dimension is in the same direction as the flow of traffic. This allows for maximum footfall on each mat. To use and maintain the tacky mat correctly, firstly, operators should step on the mat a minimum of 4 times before entering the controlled space. The same method should be applied to any trolleys or equipment with casters. Ensure your tacky mat is long and wide enough to accommodate the wheels, and push equipment slowly and steadily over the mats to capture as many contaminants as possible. Once it's time to replace the tacky mat layer, remove this by pulling it inwards from the numbered tab. Continue to peel at each corner and gather in the centre, ensuring contaminants are trapped. Then, remove the final portion of the mat. Make sure you avoid wiping or using any cleaning chemicals or products on the tacky mat. The frequency of replacing the tacky mat varies depending on footfall of traffic and visual soiling. However, this should ultimately be determined based on your cleanroom's risk assessments. It's also recommended to include a frame for your tacky mats. This offers additional benefits including shifting and curling prevention, as well as making cleaning under the mat easier. Ultimately, maintaining the cleanliness of a cleanroom requires a multi-level approach. Tacky mats are an effective yet simple first line of defense to capture and prevent contaminants from compromising your controlled environment. For more information on our contamination control solutions, reach out to a member of our team.